So let's continue our story. Now the postmaster, a fat, cheerful man, laughed as well, but he admired Lancho's faith in God. Postmaster, a person is a very fat and a cheerful means happy person and a very kind too. Is a very kind person also. He admired Lancho's faith in God. He don't made any fun of that letter, but he admired Lancho's faith, Lancho's belief in God. That still he was belief in God, that if God is with us, anything is possible. Okay. Not wanting to disappoint Lancho, he decided to write an answer. पोस्टमास्टर डोंट वांट टू डिसअपॉइंट लैंचो, वो उसे डिसअपॉइंट करना नहीं चाहते थे, उसे निराश करना, उसे दुखी करना नहीं चाहते थे लैंचो को। तो उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि वो इस लेटर का जवाब लैंचो को देंगे इन हिज ओन वे। ओके, सो ही ऑल्सो रियलाइज दैट ही वुड हैव टू सेंड सम मनी अलॉन्ग विद द लेटर। और उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया कि हाउ ही गिव बैक द आंसर टू द लैंचो। He decided to send some money along with the letter. वो उस लेटर में कुछ अमाउंट जो है उसको रखकर, जो मनी उसको उसकी ज़रूरत है उसको भेजेंगे। So he collected contributions from his employees and friends, and he also donated a part of his salary. So here in the post office, all the postmans and the postmaster decide to help Lancho. How? By collecting the money and by donating from the part of their salary. सब ने अपना अपना सैलरी का कुछ पार्ट डोनेट करके, मनी अमाउंट इकट्ठा करके, कंट्रीब्यूट करके उसको लैंचो को सेंड करेंगे बाय पोस्ट। सो however he could only collect a little more than half the amount Lancho had asked for. But after this plan also, but they can't collect so much of amount that Lancho need. How much Lancho need? Lancho need 100 pesos, but they can collect only 70 pesos. But they decide to send this amount only, and they send this amount to Lancho. He put the money in an envelope along with the letter marked God. और God के behalf पे they will send the amount of 70 pesos to Lancho in the putting in the envelope. Okay, with the letter also. On Sunday Lancho returned to the post office. वो वापस पोस्ट ऑफिस आता उस लेटर को लेके। The postman handed him the letter. The postmaster, happy with his deed, watched from the office. और लैंचो जब पोस्ट ऑफिस आता है पता करने के लिए कि वेदर ही गॉड रिसीव्ड हिज लेटर और नॉट, देयर इज़ एनी रिप्लाई फ्रॉम गॉड और नॉट, द पोस्टमैन हैंडेड हिम द लेटर। पोस्टमैन उसे एक लेटर देता है और उसको देखकर लैंचो इज़ फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी विद हिज डीड एंड वॉच्ड फ्रॉम द ऑफिस। वो उसको देखकर बहुत खुश हो जाता है कि फाइनली गॉड ने उसकी सुन ली और उसकी गॉड का उसके लिए रिप्लाई आया है। ओके, Lancho was a man of faith, so he was not surprised to see the money. As the Lancho have a faith in belief in God, so he was not surprised that God has sent him a reply or not, or sent him a reply. He was only happy to see the money. However, he was angry when he counted the money. But instead of feeling shocked and surprised, he was very angry to see that envelope, and after counting that amount, when he come to know that it was only 70 pesos, he was getting very angry. Okay, because his aim is not being completed. Lancho was a man of faith, have faith in God. Immediately he asked for ink and paper. At the same time, at the same spot, he asked for a ink and paper. He again want to write the letter to the God that someone has still his amount, his money from the envelope which the God sent him. Okay, he sat at the writing table and slowly wrote a letter. It looked like he is having trouble expressing his thoughts on paper. वो वहीं पर टेबल पर बैठ जाता है पोस्ट ऑफिस में लेटर लिखने के लिए, एंड इट लुक्ड लाइक ही वॉज हैविंग ट्रबल एक्सप्रेसिंग हिज थॉट्स ऑन, लेकिन वो समझ में आता है किस तरह से वो अपने ट्रबल में जो है, परेशानी में सब, वो उसको कैसे एक्सप्रेस करे अपने थॉट्स को उस पेपर पर, कि उसके साथ में क्या हुआ, व्हाट टू बी हैपन विद हिम. So finally he finished the letter and dropped it in the mail box. Again Lencho wrote a letter in the post office immediately and sent it to the god again, that amount is not according to the need. The postmaster immediately collected the letter and opened it, but postmaster know very well what's going on. After when the Lencho go back, he immediately took out that letter and opened it and see that letter. In the letter, Lencho had written that of 100 pesos, only 70 pesos reached him. He needed 30 pesos more. Okay, how much Lencho needed? 100 pesos. And how much he got? 70 pesos. And how many remain left? 30 pesos. Okay, so Lencho was very disappointed and unhappy and angry too. वो नाराज़ भी होता है इस चीज़ को लेकर, और उसके पीछे अमाउंट पूरा नहीं मिलने के लिए वो ब्लेम करता है पोस्ट ऑफिस पर, पोस्ट मास्टर और पोस्टमैन पर, कि वहाँ पर उसके पैसे जो है उन लोगों ने चुरा लिए हैं. सो but he asked God not to send it through the post office. Now in the next letter he wrote to God that not to send the amount through post office. Why? अब जो अमाउंट भेजेंगे गॉड, वो उसे पोस्ट ऑफिस के थ्रू नहीं भेजें. क्यों नहीं भेजें? ही बिलीव्ड पीपल एट द पोस्ट ऑफिस वर थीव्स हु स्टोल हिज 30 pesos. उसको ऐसा लगा, उसका ऐसा मानना था कि पोस्ट ऑफिस में ये जो भी वर्कर्स हैं, जो भी काम करते हैं, ये इन लोगों ने, ये थीव्स हैं, और उन्होंने उसके 30 pesos, जो रिमेनिंग 30 pesos हैं, उनको चुरा लिया है और कुछ अमाउंट उन्होंने अपने पास रख लिया है. ओके, सो इफ वी हैव he believed all the people in the post were thieves. So here is the end of the story. It's very complex. That the end was very happy and sad too. Lencho got amount. He won at this time, at this critical situation, but he was not happy about regarding that amount. He was sad also. So but he have a faith in God, and he again demand for the money from the God. So if we have a faith, if we have a belief in God, nothing is impossible, everything is possible if we have self confidence and if we have faith in God. Okay, thank you.